Good morning, everyone. Guess where Tracy and I are today? You guessed it, we're down at our favorite marsh in Prince Edward County. And today we're going to take on yet another challenge. Today's challenge will be to photograph and film 5 different bird behaviors. Wish us luck! As you can see, it's pretty foggy right now, but hopefully when the sun comes up above the trees, the fog will clear, because right now it's pretty challenging to get any film or photos in this amount of fog. I just may be slightly losing it because I just stood out in the bridge and had a little conversation with a beaver that's resting right out in front of me. Oh well, it was fun. Well, I was just able to get a solitary sandpiper feeding out here, so that's a good capture for today's challenge. Well, Tracy, I imagine that at this point in time our viewers are wondering whether we successfully completed our challenge or not this morning. I guess they'll just have to watch the rest of the video to find out. Well, so far we've been able to get a number of different behaviors from the blue herons and the great egret, so we're going to keep looking and see if we can get some behaviors from other types of birds. If you enjoy watching our videos, please click the like and subscribe buttons. It helps us to keep producing videos for you and for our channel. We would very much appreciate it. Thank you very much.